A prophet was the king of animals, birds, jinn, etc. Where was the kingdom of Bilqis? Question. When did Hazrat Suleiman, peace be upon him, sit on the throne of Jerusalem? Answer. 937 BC. Question. How many years did he reign? Answer. 37 years. Question. Which prophet was the king of animals, birds, jinn, etc.? Answer. Hazrat Suleiman, peace be upon him. Question. Which queen believed in Hazrat Suleiman, alayhi salam, after a deep trial? Answer. Queen of Saba, Bilqis. Question. Where was the kingdom of Bilqis? Answer. Saba tribe, in South Arabia. Question. What were the characteristics of Hazrat Suleiman, peace be upon him? Answer. The characteristic of Hazrat Suleiman, alayhi salam, is that he understood the bullite of animals and birds, the wind was under his command, the jinn and other animals were under his control.